is up, guys? It is OptiNation Review with another fantastic review. Today we have Transformers Prime Ratchet. Yes, you heard that correctly. TF Prime Ratchet. And today he's looking pretty fly, Kyle. But yeah, he has a tabbed flap right here. Overall, he looks pretty awesome. As he actually looks as TV show accurate as can be, and although he doesn't have his saw, which I wish they would have added. That would have been a nice touch. And it could also be that they did have it, but this figure I just bought not in box, so that could be why. I'll have to see if they have a saw for him. Because if I'm not mistaken, he did use a saw, and no, he didn't use a saw. He used basically a dissection knife. That's what it was. I'll have to see if I can't find a dissection knife for him on AliExpress or the other website that I can't remember the name of. It starts with an M. But yeah. In terms of articulation, okay, his head pops down. Uh-oh. Got it stuck. Unless it's supposed to do that. But I got it stuck. No, Ratchet. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have done that. Crap. There we go. Thought I got his head stuck for a second. But I think if you, oh no, I thought if you brought that up, it would make his head lower. But anyway, we have elbow articulation. We have a shoulder ball joint, another shoulder ball joint, elbow articulation, wheel spin, obviously. No wrist articulation, no finger posability. His feet do, however, well, his feet move in a way. But yeah, he has knee articulation. Ball joint, hip articulation, and waist, kind of waist articulation. Yeah, there's no way to get that out of the way. So yeah, not a 360 waist articulation unless you fortunately broke it, but you know, not gonna do that. Yeah. His doors are just so bulky. As bulky as Bulkhead. Just kidding. But that's who I also still need to get. I'll look on AliExpress for Bulkhead. Out of my way, I'm an emergency vehicle. But yeah, this was my review of Transformers Prime Ratchet, if you like this video, press that like button. If you dislike this video, dislike it. Subscribe, comment, hit me up on Instagram, Discord, the merch store, which I will be launching very soon, and Patreon. Alrighty, guys. All those links will be in the description below and at the end of this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day. To all are one.